Hey everybody, welcome to our second video of the weekend analysis looking at airlines and oil going into the last month of 2018. So what we can see on Southwest Airlines, which is the ticker LUV, when we were looking at this chart before, which was way down here in early November, we were right around here. What we had here was a very big gap above. So a gap is essentially when the price closes at one area and then opens much lower due to some type of fundamental change within the company. In this case, I think this was earnings that created this. And so we're watching for this area around 54.40 to 55 to kind of be filled. It's called filling the gap essentially. And so the price, as we can see, has filled this gap. And now we are really moving towards this resistance area above, which is essentially a very big falling wedge. We can also see that the EMA 50 acted as perfect resistance here before we did test this trendline resistance above. So all in all, the RSI does have more room to move up on the lower indicator side of things. The percent range is showing momentum is increasing, and the MACD was a nice confirmation of the move up when we were looking at this back in early November. So from the shorter term time frame, we are nearing a short-term resistance area. From the longer term time frame, we can see that we're bouncing out of very oversold conditions on the percent range and the RSI, as well as the MACD histogram starting to curl up. And essentially the MACD histogram curls up when the blue line becomes closer to the yellow line. So this is the fast, this is the slow. When the fast starts moving towards the slow, that's when our histogram starts to curl up. So that is something to watch going into next week. Strong bounce off support so far. Excuse me. The next area to watch will be the EMA and the SMA above. And so we will expect possibly some tests of those areas if price continues up, and that would be around 56 to around 58. Thanks so much for listening in. We have 2 more videos coming. Make sure to check those out and have a great weekend.